Hello everyone, my name is Sadbir and I work at the Oberoi Mumbai. So today I will show you a very simple yet very interesting dish which is called egg cloud with spinach and mushrooms. So we have the ingredients for that. We have some chopped garlic, chopped onions, eggs, green peas, mushrooms, some spinach, vinegar, salt, crushed pepper and some nutmeg. So we start by preparing the spinach. So spinach, as you already know, is a very healthy ingredient which is full of iron and vitamin K. So we start by taking some olive oil and put some chopped garlic. Saute some garlic. Chopped onions, saute a bit, and we add the spinach. While we saute the spinach, we can add a little salt, some fresh pepper, and some nutmeg. Nutmeg is a very important ingredient for spinach. Whenever we cook spinach, it is always advisable to add some nutmeg. It is like tomato and basil go together. Similarly, spinach and nutmeg go together, but not too much of it. Just a little bit, and we let it saute. So once it is sauteed, we keep it aside for future use. We take some mushrooms, we slice them. Again, mushroom is also a very healthy ingredient. It is, it has an antioxidant which is supposedly very good for building a body immunity. And we saute that. And we can also add at this stage some green peas to it. So this is a little addition of green peas which is been blanched. And again we add some salt to it. Seasoning at every step is always advisable because it gives the final product. The seasoning is uniform in that case. So we add some fresh pepper and we saute. Okay, we will now keep it aside for some time, and now we will start making the egg cloud. So for egg cloud, we need to put some water for poaching. Egg cloud basically, it's a poached beaten egg white, and we take some water in the pan. We add some salt to it. And one more ingredient which is always used for poaching is vinegar, because vinegar, it is a catalyst for coagulation of the protein in the egg. So it ensures that the coagulation happens faster. Okay, while the water is getting heated, we can prepare the eggs for the cloud. So we break some eggs. We just need the egg whites for this particular recipe. The same technique of beating egg whites typically is used for making desserts like souffle, rang, mousses. You can also use a beater if you have. Otherwise, you have to really beat it very stiffly till it forms a peak. So then now you can see the peaks. So you can add the spinach to it now. Little salt. Fresh pepper, and we fold it. Folding is a important step in this recipe because we don't want to lose the air which we've just formed by beating the egg whites. Okay, so this is kind of ready. You can see the water. The water is almost boiling now, so we reduce the temperature. For poaching, we need to reduce the temperature below boiling point because we don't want the poached egg white to break. And we take 2 spoons. You can take, if you have service normal spoons, little bigger spoons, but I have these big spoons, I'm using that, but you can use your normal tablespoons also. So the idea is to form a quenelle from this. So as you can see, you hold the spoons very close to the to the end, and then you slowly form quenelles. Nice quenelles you form, and you drop it in the water, which is just below boiling point. This actually is the only little bit difficult thing which you might say, but it's not actually difficult. It looks difficult, it's quite simple. When you do it, you'll realize it's very simple. So now, as you can see, the poached egg is getting ready. We can turn it. We have to turn it a little bit so that it gets cooked on both sides. And you can see it is nice and airy. So now, while this is getting ready, what we can do is we can heat up the spinach. I've actually pureed the spinach which we had sauteed. We can add that puree to the pan, and we're trying to plate the dish now. So it's almost plating time now. So we heat up the spinach. This is the puree. So while making the puree of the spinach, I've added a little water to it because you can use a normal mixie and make a puree from the spinach, but you can add a little water to it so that it form a nice puree. So with more water. So the consistency of this puree should be between a sauce and a soup. So thinner than a sauce but thicker than a soup. So now that the puree is ready, we can start plating the dish. This is the serving bowl. As you can see, I've taken a bowl with a little depth inside. To the spinach, we will add the poached cloud. It's nice and and now we have some. Remember, we had sauteed some mushrooms and green peas. We just heat it up. And we'll put it on top. The mushrooms and green peas. You can randomly put it. And just finish it with a little cracked pepper and a little olive oil. And here we go. Egg white cloud with some spinach and mushroom and green peas. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I've really enjoyed cooking it, and it's quite simple to make, as you can see. So please do make it and stay safe, stay healthy.